Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today we are going to discuss this very interesting and important problem of the day of GFG, that is work break part 2. Okay guys, this is very important string plus backtracking problem. So first of all just read the problem statement. So problem statement says that we have a string s and a variable n and a dictionary array which contain 5 different words. Okay guys, now we have to separate this string in a sentence, or you can say we have to add spaces in between substring of this particular s. Like this is, I just copy everything and explain in whiteboard, that will be more understandable to you. Okay guys, so here what we have to do. Yeah, okay. So guys, here we are given a string this cats. So what we have to do, we have to exactly we have to add spaces in s. Okay, exactly wording is we have to add spaces in at s and make s the word a sentence. Okay, by adding some spaces. But what is the condition of adding spaces? uh, when we make a sentence, then there are some word. See, there are some word and there are some these are spaces. These are spaces. Okay, or I can say space, space, space. So here is the one valid condition should be fulfilled, that starting word, ending one, and all the between word should be a valid word in our dictionary. Okay guys, we can, and we have to return every sentence that can be possible. Okay, like from here cats and dog, one is from cats, then we will add space and dog. One is possible is cat is in our string, so we will add space, then sand is in our, then dog. Okay, so these two can be possible. Okay, here you can see, here you can see zero number of sentence we can make. Okay, so this is what we have to do. Okay guys, so now how we will do it, this is very important string plus backtracking problem I am telling you. Okay guys, so now what we have to do, so now you all understand, you all should understand as of now, that what we have to do, we have to find out the substring of our s, then find whether this substring is a valid word in our dictionary or not. If it is, then we'll add space and finding other and finding the sentence for left string s. Okay, similarly, so how we will do it guys, I'm telling you the approach. Now what we will follow, just a minute, I just need to erase everything. Okay guys, so guys, I just copy paste the code as well. This will become very easy for you to understand. Yeah, okay guys, so first of all, we are taken a vector of string s. We are taken a vector of string s, sorry, vector of string answer. It will contain all the generated string. Okay, or all the generated all the generated sentence. Okay, this is our answer initially empty. Okay, then what we are, this is our given function to us, we have to return vector of string, and a vector of string word, that is dictionary given to us, string we have to break given to us, and the size of dictionary given to us. Okay guys, now what we will say, we will take a temporary string named a, means this is the string that will contain a sentence, then n dix s are the same component as of word break. Now 0 and a, 0 means the starting index or the current index from where we have to start forming the sentence in our string. Initially it is 0. Okay, now a is our temporary string. This all we will pass in a function called sol. Okay guys, so here this is function sol. So our main part is this. Now our main part is this. Okay, that we need to do. Okay, one thing I am telling you, this is current is the index of our string s that we need to break, in sentence or convert in sentence. Okay, so if current index become greater than or equal to s dot size, it means we have completely convert our string s to a sentence A. Okay, so now what we can do, we can complete our transformation. So just to push back this particular string in our answer. Okay, I will tell you why I am adding a dot substring. I will tell you this as well. Okay guys, now I will just return. I will tell you this part. I will tell you this part further. Okay. So for now, just understand. We will add something in our answer. Then just return. Okay. Now we are. This is our main function that we need to understand, guys. So I just change the color to green. Okay. Green is. So our initially our string is this. Cats and dog. Initially this is our string. Okay, guys. So what we are doing. So what I am doing is, for all the n possible word in our dictionary, for all the n possible, like here n is equal to 5, all the 5 possible words, what I am taken this, like x is equal to current word, x is equal to di, dictionary is d here. Okay, just to make it smaller, x is equal to di. Now x is equal to cats, x is equal to cats, then cat, then and, then sand, then dog. One by one we will traverse all the word of dictionary. And now why, what is y is, now x is equal to di is equal to cat. Suppose it is cat, c a t and s. Okay guys, now what is y is the substring of our s from current index from which we need to separate, we need to convert our string s in sentence, and of size x, means cats is size 4, so we will take a substring of size 4. Now what is substring of size 4? Our current is 0. Cats, it is cats. Okay guys, it is cats. So we will say, if these both are match, if these both match, then we can say we find a valid word. We will say we find, this is our a, then we can say we find a valid word. So is this a valid word? Yes, this is a valid word, means x is equal to y. Then now string z. What is string z? String z is equal to, here our current is equal to 0, our current is equal to 0 here for this case. Z is equal to a is initially empty plus a is empty, plus space, plus a single space. Now plus x means the string, this word, plus cats. So we can say this will become space and cats, because a is empty, a is empty. So this add or not add just not affect our z. So this space and this cats will form space and cats. So this is our a. So now we will again call a solve with nds same. Now our current index, means the current index is the new index from which we need to start to form our sentence, is current plus x dot start. Current is 0, so now our current will become 0 plus 4, that is 4. Now you can see 4 is a, 4 is a. So as you can see as well, we have already formed cats substring. Okay, so we will now need to start to form a sentence from a and dog is our left string. Now we will check whether we can form a sentence or not. If yes, then we will continue. If not, then we just return. Now it is 4. Now what is z? Z is our this underscore cats. Now our updated a, means our current a sentence is underscore cats. So it will become, instead of empty string, it will become, it became space or and cats. Okay guys, it will become cats space cats. Now we complete. Now see at 4, I take pink. Now see at 4, what is our x? X is equal to cats. Cats match with a and dd of size 4 string is a and dd. It is cat. No, cats will not match with a and dd. So our x will become cat. Cat match with a and d. A and d. These three. Cat match with and no. A and D size 3, A and D current to size 3, A and D. A and D match A and D. Yes, A and D match A and D. A and D match A and D. So now our x is equal to A and D is equal to y is equal to A and D. A and D. So our z update will A, that is means space cats plus space plus space plus x means the common word that we find a valid word, or we can say, and so this is a valid word. Now we will again call this. Now what is our current? What will be our current? Our current will be 4, that is current plus x dot side, that is 4 plus 7, 4 plus 3, 4 plus size of n, that is 3, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Now what is 7? 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, this is dt. So you can, and you can see as well, this c8 c8ts a and d, we have already formed a string. This is we are at t. So now what is our updated a? Updated a is underscore cats underscore, and underscore means space here. Okay, I just write so that it will be more clear to it that we have to put a space here. Okay, that's why. Now see at 7, I just again change the color so that it will make more clear. Okay, just this is the only motive for me to add the space, unless no requirement. Okay guys, now see at 7. Now from 7, oh cats 4. Now we have only 3, so only 3 character will come to so cats is equal to dog, false. cat of size 3, so from current to size 3, dog true, no, dog is not is equal to cat, false. A and d is equal to dog, false. Sand size 4, here we have only 3 characters, so 3 character come. Dog is equal to sand, no, false. Now dog of length 3, dog match dog, yes, dog match dog. So our x is equal to y is equal to dog, and our z will become a, that is a this, and add space. So I am updating my a. Oh, okay, only now x. What is my x here? Dog. So it will dog. Okay, cats and dog. Now we will what our next call? Current. This is our a. Okay, I am already changed the a. Okay, so I am not writing it as I'll write left initially. 7 plus size of dog. Size of dog is 3. 7 plus 3, that is 10. So now what is 10? 10 is out of the loop. 10 is out of the loop because the size of our string is 0 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10. Okay, now our current is equal to 10. 10 greater than is equal to size, yes. For here it is here our current is equal to 10, that is greater than is equal to our s dot size. So our answer will contain a dot substr1. Now what is 1? 1 is this. So that's why I am writing a dot substr. Now you understand, because I am putting a space in each each formation of my sentence, particular word. That's why I will take substr from 1, because our first step will always contain a space, because in the beginning, in the very first, our a is always empty. That's why empty plus space will space plus some word. Okay, that's why first character will always be a empty space. That's why I will take a str from 1 to onward. Now cats and dog. So one form is cats and dog. I just write it, cats, and this underscore are spaces. These are, so we will just return from here. Now we are at here. Now this is dog, this is dog. Now after dog we does not have any other word left. We does not have any so now we are at dog. So after dog we does not have any other word. Check whether we can form a other word or not. Okay, so we just return from, see, current 7 as well, means we have completely formed a string. Now we are at 4. Now what is 4? 4 is and. Now and we are at a, we are at this a. Our current is 4, means our current is this a. Okay, and we have checked this, and initially, just a minute, I just make it silent. Okay, so now our current index is 4, that is a. No, and match to and. Now I will check for 4 character. Now sand match to a and dd, no. Dog match A and D? No, false again. So means we have completed current 4 index as well. So we will return from here as well. We will return from here as well. We will try for each possible iteration. Our this is as well empty in starting. This will always empty up. This will current for 0. It is empty. So now current is equal to 0 means we are at C. Now cats is equal to cats means we have matched this to this. Now we will check for other statement. Now we will take cat, we will check cat. Now whether cat match to cat, yes, we can take cat match to cat. So what is our A will become underscore means space it will become space and cat. Now what is size here? It will match to cats and cat. So what is our current? Next current. Now you can see 4 length substring also match a valid word. 3 strength substring cat also match a valid word. So first time we will take cats. Now this time we are taken cat. Okay, this is what we are doing. Now cat match to cat. Now what is our current? 0 plus size of cat. 0 plus 3, that is 3. Now we are at S. Now from, and why I am doing this? Because we can say that we can use a word more than once. Okay, so we can again and again use a word as well. Okay, like if this is a substring given to me a and a single dictionary A, then we will form A space A space A space A, means I am again and again using this A to form this string S. Okay, this is what I want to tell. I can again and again use a word, single word. Okay guys, so now cat, so now we are at S. So from sand we will take 4 substring. Sand match cats, false. Cat match san, false. Now what I am doing, the size of my dictionary ith word, I will take a substring equal to size of our ith word. Now and is equal to san, false. SA and D is equal to SA and D, yes, they all match. So X is equal to Y is equal to SA and D, means sand is a word that is a valid word. Okay, so now I will update my A plus plus space and plus X, that is common valid word. Now it is sand. Now next current will become 3 plus size, 3 plus 4, that is 7. Now what is our 7? 7 is dog. You can see 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yes, we are at D, dog. Now we will start from cats. Dog not equal, cat dog not equal, a and d dog not equal, sa and d dog not equal, dog. Yes, both are equal. Yes, both are equal. Dog are equal. Okay guys, so c is equal to 7, x is equal to y, means the common valid word is dog. This time common valid word is dog. So our updated is dog. Current is c comma 7 plus 3, that is 10. Now this time current will exceed the size or equal to the size of s, so we will push back this in our answer, this substr of 1 in our answer. Here you can see first character is always a space. So from here to next character I just cut out this. Okay, this is a valid, second valid word. Now we will return from CODEnow, means we have completed this function. Now we are at dog, we are at already at last, so means we have traversed all the completely. C is equal to 7. We will return from here as well. So now from sand, from we are at SAND. Now SAN will out is equal to dog, means we have completely C comma 3 as well. C comma 3. Now we are at 0 again. We are at 0. I just erase this also. I am at 0. I can match cat and cat, but now can and match CAT? No. SAND match CATS? No. DOG match CAT? No. So it means we have completed this C0 as well, and we will return this. We will return from here. Means we have complete our function, and at last we just return our answer. Answer is vector of string that I take initially. Okay guys, so you can see these two, cats and dog, cats and dog. Okay, here. Okay, cats and dog, and second one cats and dog. These two are my answer as well. So I am just submitting it. One more point I want to tell you guys. Just a minute with me. Okay guys, all the 54 test cases pass out. Okay, time taken 0.01. Why it is? Why time taken is so less? There can be many reason, but one is, what is the most important reason? From string s, I have a current position current. So there are two methods to check whether the word are equal. Either I can check it for all the dith word, or I can check for all the substring from current to end, okay guys, now if my string size is more, if my string size as it can be 500, okay, so either I have to make all the possible substring of as my maximum size of a dictionary word is 15. So either I have to make all the substring from 1 to 15, because maximum size of a word is 15, or I can just check for ith word. I can just check for ith word. Means if it is equal, then okay, I will continue, else I will not. Okay, so any method you can check. I am taken is for all the dith word. You can also form all the substring and match it with dith word. Means like you form a substring like from current 0, you will form a substring c, then substring ca, then substring cats, sorry cat, then cats and forward. Okay, and one by one you will check whether c in our word. If it is, then you will just continue a and again call this. If ca is in, then okay, if cat is a valid word in our dictionary, then we will update my current and call this function again. And if not, I just continue for next other substring. Okay, this is what I want to say. Either you can check for all dith word one by one, or you can form all the substring. Okay, then compare or then check whether this particular substring from current is in our word or not. If it is, then you will continue. If it is not, then you will make more different substring. Okay guys, so I hope you understand the problem. This is a very important string plus backtracking problem. I hope you understand the approach and the code. If you have any doubt, then just comment out. I will try my best to explain you. Please subscribe the channel, like the video, and if you understand, then please comment out, as it will motivate me to make more this content. You can check out my channel for more these type of videos. I daily upload GFG problem of the day solution, so please subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching this guys. Stay tuned.